Hi Pearl.
I'll do all I can to help. How long have you been dealing with this?
I'm replacing my old York thermostat T874R1046 with a new Sensi Wi-Fi Programmable Thermostat. There is one wire left after I do the configuration on the Sensi app. Can you help?
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
How to add pictures on the chat.
What wire do you have left over?
The orange wire. I have not put the wires into the new thermostat yet. I was just concerned that there was one wire that the Sensi app did not select. The app appears to only accept a combination of 6 wire types.
Just got pick and downloading. Just a moment. Is it the blue wire that was on B that you have an issue with?
No. What does the wire control? Here is a picture of the new thermostat wired. The second picture is of the app when it went through the verification process. As you can see, the orange is grayed out so that you can't select it.
The O wire goes to terminal OB. It is a reverse valve for heat pump. The old B wire actually goes to C. The old black wire on X goes to new thermostat E terminal.
Where does the W wire go?
The W goes to O.
Would that be W2 on the new panel?
The white wire will attach to W2 unless you actually have a 2-stage heat pump or another heat backup instead of the electric strip.
Okay. In the meantime, I wired my old thermostat back up, and I tried to turn the heat on and nothing would come on. I tried turning the AC on and that would not turn on either. Does that sound like a wiring issue? The slack in the wires are all jumbled up and pushed together behind the panel.
If the air handler power was still on, we could have blown a small fuse. What is make and model of air handler?
This one is inside the laundry room. This one is outside in the backyard.
Thank you. See here.
Will this new Sensi app work with my air/heating system?
Hello, my name is Emma, different expert. The new thermostat should work fine. Now here is what I suspect. It is a bit confusing about that B wire to folks who do not work on these every day. The blue wire, as Billy noted, is actually common. It went to be on old thermostat but goes to C on new. If you connect it to B in the beginning, you probably popped a small fuse in air handler or burned up the transformer. Do you have a voltmeter to do some troubleshooting?
Yes, I do. Will this work? If so, let's do some troubleshooting.
Excellent. Locate the transformer. It will have 2 high voltage wires in from power supply and 2 low voltage wires out to thermostat and relays. Check between the 2 low voltage wires for 24 VAC. Set meter to 200 VAC as shown.
Where in this picture would the transformer be in this picture?
Remove this panel.
Which 2 are the low voltage wires from the transformer?
The yellow and blue from transformer are 24V. You can start by checking the B and R terminal on board, as that is where they end up.
0.00 voltage at B and R terminal and 0.00 voltage at the wire nuts. The transformer is also warm to the touch.
That is what I suspected. You fried transformer by having improperly wired at thermostat. You will need to replace the transformer and that should fix you up. Thanks for letting me work with you. If my answer has been polite, professional, and thorough, please click one of the ratings before you go. If you still need help, let me know. Expert is not paid for assisting you until you rate answer. Feel free to follow up for 30 days at no additional cost. Bonus always appreciated if you feel justified. To rate answer, please select one of the stars on the page.
Can you tell me how to correctly wire the new thermostat after I replace the transformer? Here is a picture of the new thermostat panel.
Old, new or red RH with jumper to RCB blue CO orange O/BY yellow YG green GW white W2X black W/E.
I just installed the new Emerson Sensi Wi-Fi Programmable Thermostat per this wiring diagram that Air Heatman told me to do, and when I turn the heat on the thermostat, cold air is pumping out through the vents. When I turn the AC on, hot air comes out of vents. I was told by Air Heatman to wire it like this: old, new or red RH with jumper to RCB blue CO orange O/BY yellow YG green GW white W2X black W/E. Please help me correctly wire the new thermostat to where it operates normally. I just installed the new Emerson Sensi Wi-Fi Programmable Thermostat per this wiring diagram that Air Heatman told me to do, and when I turn the heat on the thermostat, cold air is pumping out through the vents. When I turn the AC on, hot air comes out of vents. I was told by Air Heatman to wire it like this: old, new or red RH with jumper to RCB blue CO orange O/BY yellow YG green GW white W2X black W/E. Please help me correctly wire the new thermostat to where it operates normally.
Thermostat is wired correctly. We just need to make a change in setup configuration.
Alright, how do we do that?
On your thermostat, press Menu and use the Next button to scroll through the configuration menu. Use the up and down arrows to change the configuration. 1. Select single stage heat pump for equipment 2. Select 2 stage for heat 3. On reversing valve choice, if O is elected, change it to B. If B is selected, change it to O.
For the setup setting there is OB. For the indoor setting there is EL2, EL1, GA2, GA1. Fan. For the outdoor settings there is HP2, HP1, AC2, AC1, AC0.
Select HP1.
Done.
You change reversing valve selection? And is everything working properly?
On the indoor setting it is currently set on EL2 and the reversing valve selection was set on B and I changed it to O. What is the indoor setting supposed to be on? It feels like the heat is working properly, but I cannot seem to get the AC to turn on to blow cold air.
EL2 is correct. 2-stage electric. Is compressor coming on in heat mode?
The AC just came on and is blowing cold air. I believe it is working properly now. Thank you so much, Air Heatman. If I have any more issues with it, I will be sure to come back and ask for you. If I don't talk to you before then, I wish you and your family a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Stay safe and thanks again. Smile.
Merry Christmas. Feel free to follow up for 30 days at no additional cost. Bonus always appreciated if you feel justified.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.